Hi crafters, I'm Robbie Susan Chandler from RobbieSusanCardsandCrafts.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator from Quincy, Florida, right outside Tallahassee, Florida. I'm here to share a project with you, so let's get started. Today I'm sharing this card with you, made with the Cheerful Daisies stamp set and dies. I love this card. I think it's so pretty, and I love the daisies on it. I particularly like daisies because I used daisies in my wedding when I got married way back in 1974. So let's take a look at the pieces that we'll need for this card. So let's start with our base. Get these out of the way. Alright, your base is an 11 by 4 1/4 sheet of thick basic white scored at 5 1/2. So that's this piece. Next, I used a piece of the new Pretty Peacock, which is a color we're bringing back, and it's 4 by 5 1/4 inches. You'll also need a piece of just regular basic white that's 4 by 2 3/4 inches. And then I have these two strips of our distressed gold, and they're 4 by 3 1/4 inches. Alright, let's see how we put this together. I started with these two strips, and I adhered them behind the basic white piece, like this. And that gave me this piece. I then adhered that piece to the Pretty Peacock piece. Once I got these glued together, I went over to the emboss and cut machine and ran it through the crosshatch embossing folder. This is an online exclusive embossing folder that's a set of 3, and I like all 3 of the embossing folders, but you'll find it online. It's not in a catalog. So this is the look you get with the crosshatch. I think that's a very cool look. And then I adhered that to my card front. Now inside this card, I made this a birthday card, and I used the Go-To Greetings, which is a great set because it has like happy birthday in 3 different sizes and thinking of you in 3 different sizes, thank you, all in 3 different sizes. And then the little daisy actually came from the daisy stamp set. And I stamped all that in Pretty Peacock. Now let's look at the pieces for the daisies. There are quite a few of those, so let me bring that over. And all of those were cut with the dies from the daisy set. So this is the big daisy piece, and it's one piece, and I cut it with the distressed gold. Now to layer on top of that, you have these 3 dies, which will cut these 3 pieces, and they layer on top of these little pieces here. So you just lay them on there like that, and you'll glue those down, and you get this piece here. Now it probably doesn't show up in the camera too well, but I did put some Wink of Stella on my daisies to give them a little shimmer and shine. So let's put that on our card front. I did not use dimensionals to adhere this down just because I don't know, I just felt like it didn't need popping at this point. There was so much dimension to these flowers already. So we'll just put a little, just enough to hold it down. Okay. Alright, there's our daisies. Now also in that set, die set, is this little spriggly, what I call a spriggly looking die. And I cut 2 of these sprigs from Pretty Peacock. And let's just kind of stick them down in there. I'm just going to put a little adhesive on the end here and poke it down kind of underneath. Let's see, we want to hide the end of it, so let's see if we can get it underneath there. And maybe right in there. And then this one, I'm going to put, let's get that piece out, a little bit on it. And let's put it up here. Well, let me pull this up just a second. Let's stick it down in this area, like that. Okay. Now my sentiment, there's another die in this set. It's this one, and I cut a piece out of distressed gold and a piece out of white. And I stamped a sentiment on the white piece, and the gold piece I'm going to cut in half, what we call the hot dog way or the long way. When you teach school, you learn to teach students to fold the hot dog and the hamburger way. And this is the hot dog way. Now the hamburger way would have been this way, and then you would have had an entirely different look. Then I adhered these pieces behind the white, like that, and that gives me this piece. So let's just pop this on the front, right down here in this corner. And I like the way the gold makes the sentiments pop out some. It makes it stand out so you can really see it. And this is a really nice saying that they have in this set, wishing you the brightest birthday. So then I felt like all I need to say inside was just happy birthday. So this is my card. I hope you like it. I have a link below for you to click on for a free download with all the dimensions and the instructions. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I hope you will do so. And if you don't have a demonstrator, I'd love to be your demonstrator. So until next time, happy crafting.